Hello friends. So in this video I would like to show you how to change oil in a final drive of a Honda DeVille. So by the manual you should do it every 36,000 kilometers, and I have no idea did anyone change oil on this motorcycle because I have it quite recently. So you need to put it on a central stand, and then there is two bolts, one here and one here. So this one is for draining oil and this one is to fill up oil. So you need to use this type of oil, SAE 80, but I will put a link to the manual in the description so you can check it out yourself. So now you need to unscrew this bolt. Okay, so the normal level should be on the bottom of this bolt, and in my case is quite lower, so it is a good time to change. So now let's unscrew this bolt. Oh, and by the way, this is number 17 and this is number 6. So let's now unscrew it. Oh yeah, it's quite dark and nasty. So this bolt has a rubber sealing, and if it's you need to check your and if it's in a bad condition, you should change it. But in my case it looks okay, so I'm gonna leave it like it is. Oh, and it should have about 150 milliliters of oil. And now you need to turn, I'll put in neutral. Okay, neutral. Now turn your wheel. Time from time. It is quite windy, so it's a bit hard to do. So now we finished, and this is how it looks. It looks pretty dark. So I would say it's maybe 100 milliliters, something like that. Okay, so now old oil is gone. There is a couple drips, but it's okay. So now we can put the screw back in place. And now we can top up oil till this level. and I think should be okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's up to this level, and if you put extra, it's just gonna drip out, and that's it. So, is it okay? Yeah, it's okay. So, just and we can put this bolt back. Come on. So that's it.